First of all, see the amount of this game. On completing this game you will be given $325. This game has been given a 5-star rating. As you complete the levels of this game, you will get the amount according to the level. Similarly, there are unlimited games on this site. The amount of some games is more and the amount of some games is less. You can complete all these games easily. Till now this site has paid $124,631,363 to its users. This site is available worldwide. People from any country can join and earn money. I have given the sign up link of this site in the description of the video. On clicking the link you will reach its sign up page. You can create your account through email, Google and Stream. This site offers a variety of ways to earn rewards. Here's a breakdown. Game rewards typically range from 50 cents to $120 or more. Depending on your country and complexity, app trials or signing up for services can earn you higher rewards, often ranging from $1 to $75 plus. Surveys rewards typically range from a few cents to $1 or more, depending on survey length and complexity. This site gives high reward on every offer. You can withdraw your earning amount instantly, and this site also gives you a daily bonus. This site has paid so many dollars to its users so far this month. Live withdrawals are happening here. People from every country are withdrawing their earning amount easily. This site is 100% legit and genuine. This is my favorite GPT site. I have received payment 6 times through this site. I receive every payment easily. I have earned all this amount by completing most of the surveys. The monthly leaderboard reward of this site is $5,000. These are the 3 users who have earned the most this month. At rank 1 is Nick, who has earned $1,529 this month, and he has been given a $500 leaderboard reward. At rank 2 is Eurelis, who has earned $2,221 by completing just 203 offers, and he has been given a $350 leaderboard reward. At rank 3 is Jimcrew28, who has earned $1,381 by completing just 112 offers, and he has been given a $175 leaderboard reward. Similarly, there are other users also who have been rewarded according to their rank. The review of the site on Trustpilot is very excellent. freecash is a verified company. This site has got a rating of 4.5 so far, and its user experience is very good. Every user has given a positive review about this site. In my opinion, this is the first site about which I am seeing such a good review. freecash offers multiple payout methods, including PayPal, cryptocurrencies, and gift cards. Users enjoy the freedom to choose their preferred method. The minimum payout threshold varies by reward. Crypto rewards start at 50 cents, and stake rewards start at 25 cents. Typically, you need $5 for any other rewards, including PayPal. The platform prioritizes security, implementing measures to protect users' financial information and transactions. Overall, freecash is a legitimate way to earn extra money online. This is generally user-friendly with a straightforward interface. New users can quickly understand how to navigate the site and start earning.